Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to bring you a video about crypto.com. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video, and let's get started. So basically on the start of the video, I'm going to do a short introduction on what is crypto.com. Basically it's the world's largest growing crypto app. I would say that you can use this application as your crypto wallet, and after that, basically if let's say you are new to cryptocurrency, you want to buy and sell cryptocurrency, everything you can use it on the crypto.com app itself. They are very user friendly, and I would say for beginners itself, I would say that this is the to-go app for you guys to basically start your crypto journey. And I would say that there's a lot of interesting product that is on the application, but on today's video we are just going to focus on two products, which is the crypto card, and after that the next one is the CryptoEarn. So basically this product itself, two of it itself is somehow related, and after that we should basically, if you guys are interested in getting into cryptocurrency, or basically like have some investment in the cryptocurrency journey, in the crypto world, and after that basically have some crypto in your portfolio. Basically on the app itself, you do not need to like spend. Basically you do not need to like physically buy cryptocurrency to be in the crypto world. Instead, on crypto.com itself, they have a very unique feature. Basically is by using the card itself, you can earn cryptocurrency. Basically, I would say that every time you spend on the card itself, and after that, basically you will basically get rebates in cryptocurrency. So I'm gonna talk more in depth on this crypto card itself. So over here, why should you like basically apply for the card if let's say you are new to the application? So I will say, first of all, if you are going to apply for the card, or let's say if you wish to use the free tier, or let's say you want to upgrade the tier or whatsoever, bear in mind that the first thing that you need to know is basically, if let's say you are new to the application itself, if you want, you can use the link down below. You can get a free $25 on your basically upon signing up, and after that, how you unlock the $25 is after locking up your basically staking for a tier which is the Ruby Steel and above. Basically once you have staked for the tier, after Ruby Steel tier, or basically Ruby Steel or the rest, you are eligible for this $25, which is credited in CRO. So basically, why should you get a card itself? So first of all, you have to understand that the CRO rebates, basically I'll call this the card rebate. So every time you spend with their card itself, yeah, they're going to rebate you with either 1% or up to 8%, depending on the tier that you accept. I mean, on the tier that you are using. So my personal tier itself, I'm using the IC White, basically this card over here. I'm getting around 5% every rebate. So I would say that it is somehow better than most of the credit cards out there. And after that, I have already mentioned at the start of the video, if let's say you are interested in getting the card itself, I already said like you can get into crypto without really buying crypto. So what do I mean by that is basically using the card itself. So on the card itself, you are able to top up using your debit or credit card. So let's say if you want to, this is like a prepaid card itself, so basically you need to put funds into the card itself, and after that, from there you can use the card and spend. And after that, basically every time you spend itself, you are getting a rebate of 1 to 8% depending on the tier. So I would say that basically you are technically not buying cryptocurrency, but you are just spending your money through a prepaid card. And after that, from there, the prepaid card is going to give you rebates in basically CRO, which is the cryptocurrency of crypto.com. So I would say this is one of the reason that you should basically get a card if let's say you want to get into the cryptocurrency space, but do not wish to really spend a huge fortune to basically invest in the cryptocurrency space. Instead, you can use this approach that I'm saying. Basically use the card to spend on your daily needs, and after that, from there, you are getting rebate from 1 to 8% depending on the tier, if you are interested in getting. So if let's say you want to unlock the tier itself, you will first need to basically have a small fee to lock up your funds. Basically it's the CRO stake. So for Singaporean itself, the price has been stated 500 for the Ruby Steel card, and after that, bear in mind that their card itself, they do not have any like the annual charging fees or whatsoever like the credit card that you are using. So for most of the credit card out there, there's a annual premium fee of maybe 100 or 200 depending on your card tier. And after that, from there, the CRO itself, they do not have all these hidden fees, and after that, they do not rip you off. It is very straightforward, and after that, easy to understand. And after that, the next thing we are going to talk about, it's the CryptoEarn. So the next segment of the video is my CryptoEarn. Basically, I'm just going to show you my CryptoEarn recent investment that I've done. Basically, I put some money in the CryptoEarn, and after that, it's almost like around 90,000. So I put on the title my 90k CryptoEarn. So I'm going to explain to you what is this CryptoEarn CryptoEarn all about is basically a very interesting product that Crypto.com has came out with. It's basically for you to generate passive income with your cryptocurrency that you are holding in your wallet, or let's say outside the wallet. Basically, let's say if you own some Bitcoin or let's say Ethereum, and after that, if let's say you are just holding it on a hardware wallet or a software wallet, basically the wallet is like MetaMask or whatsoever, you are not generating any income from by holding it on the private keys itself. Therefore, I would say that is a very safe approach to keep your funds. I would say basically nobody have a private keys, only you have it, therefore nobody can steal your funds. But the downside about it is basically you are unable to generate passive income using your funds. Is just left there, and after that, one Bitcoin after a year itself is still always one Bitcoin. After 10 years, it is still one Bitcoin. Therefore, I would say that my goal here is not to basically earn only one Bitcoin. I want to earn more Bitcoin, and I want to generate more Bitcoin and Ethereum. Therefore, I put it in Crypto.com, CryptoCom product, and after that, basically they're generating me, as you can see, 6.5%, and after that 2% plus 2% on per annum on the CRO. Basically, this is for the tier, for my tier itself. So this for the crypto tier itself, there's a linkage. So over here, let's say you scroll down, it's gonna show you. So over here you can see on the Ruby Steel, and after that on the Midnight or Indigo, what is this, the Indigo or Jade tier itself, these two tier itself, they do not have any special benefit for the earn bonus reward. Therefore, I would say if let's say you want to get the earn bonus reward, the crypto earn bonus reward, you have to at least stake around 50,000 Sing dollars for you to get this crypto earn bonus. And after that, the bonus is as stated over here on the app. A moment. So over here you can see that if let's say I click on plus itself, if let's say you want to put some Bitcoin inside, so over here this is the tiers that they are having. So for flexible itself is self-explanatory. Basically you can just put your funds in, and after that they are just going to issue you 2% per annum, and after that you can withdraw anytime you want. And of course, if let's say you want to basically lock up your funds like a investment, like an insurance investment or whatsoever, you can just choose the term from 1 to 3 months, and after that from there, of course, the longer you lock up, the more the higher the interest rate is. And after that, on CryptoEarn itself, they are offering for my card tier itself, I'm getting around 6.5. If I'm not wrong, if let's say you guys are the ICY and below, basically you guys are seeing like maybe 5.5 or maybe 4 point something. I'm not sure about that, but it is just basically if let's say you are going to put a CryptoEarn, you want to put some funds into CryptoEarn, and after that generate some passive income for your cryptocurrency. Basically, I would say it's also a good way for you to generate. And after that, I would say that right now CryptoEarn on Bitcoin itself, they are offering around 6.5% for my tier, inclusive of 2% on CRO. Basically, I'm getting like 8.5% of this investment. And after that, basically, I would say that if let's say I want to compare it with like Celsius or BlockFi, the other companies that's out there offering this kind of scheme, I would say that CryptoEarn itself, they are so by far offering the highest interest rate out there for crypto earning assets, crypto deposit account. And after that, I would say that you guys should consider about this factor. And after that, the last thing I want to talk about is basically my personal experience with Crypto.com card. So my own personal experience with Crypto.com. So basically, I've been with Crypto.com for almost, I would say, 2 or 3 years plus minus. And after that, I would say that first of all, I'll talk about their customer service. I would say that their customer service itself is quite responsive and of course quite quick, to be honest. And after that, because the app itself is growing, and after that more and more users are coming into the application, and after that, of course, there is limited support assistant. I would say that the support previously during my time when I just got in, the support, like after you send a message, you will get a reply within 1 or 2 hours. That is pretty quick. And after that, from there you can get your stuff solved very quickly, and after that you will be happy about it. And after that, eventually more and more people came in, and after that the reply would be at least 1 or 2 days. But I would say that from my experience itself, I am still getting replies like within a day or whatsoever. And of course, the staff, they themselves, they are treating you like a loyal customer. And after that, I would say that if let's say you have a fraudulent transaction or whatsoever, their staff itself, they will try to do their best to investigate and basically help you revert your, basically get a chargeback or whatsoever you call it. So I would say that my experience with the CDC card itself, I would say it is quite fun. And after that, I would say it is quite an experience that because to be honest, I'm spending money every day, like you. Basically, everybody is spending money every day. And after that, from there, the cashback that you get from your bank is basically they rebate you in cash, which some of you guys might feel that, hey, I'm receiving cash, why not? But to be honest, if you look at the value of cash, it is always decreasing. The spending power is always decreasing. But on cryptocurrency, it's a different case that you are basically, I like the idea that every time I spend, I am somehow investing, or let's say getting paid in cryptocurrency as the rebate, and after that from there I can hedge the cryptocurrency coin, basically CRO, in the future. And of course, if the price of CRO increases in the future, basically my rebates as well increase. Therefore, I would say that this is my take on the card. And after that, for the CryptoEarn itself, I would say that basically passive income, it is true. And after that, I would say that if you put your funds with CryptoEarn itself, how do they generate you the funds? Basically, the funds put with them, they are going to loan out the funds, and from there is acting like a bank. So whatever products out there that is doing this crypto deposit interest accounts thingy, I would say that the model itself is somehow the same. And after that, I would say on crypto.com itself is quite it is a very big company, and I would say that they have already gained a lot of people's trust. And after that, from there, you guys can consider this option. So if you want, you can sign up with my link down below. And after that, come to the end of video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye bye, peace.